How to delete Roblox chat messages. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option party. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find all the conversations over here. Now head over to the conversation that you wanna delete. Just launch it. Now if you try to delete any of the message, you won't be able to do that. At the moment, there is no such feature within Roblox to delete any of the chat messages. But there is a workaround for that. What you have to do is head over to the profile of the person. Once you're in the profile of that person, now click on the three dots. Select the option block or unfriend. With this, the whole conversation will also be removed. So at the moment, this is the only way. But if in the future Roblox comes with the feature to delete chat messages, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.